Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Scarlett Fu and Alexandra Semenova here for Paul Sweeney, and we want to start things off this hour by taking a look at some stocks on the move. Bloomberg's Christine Aquino is here with us. Christine, what are you watching?
We got to watch JPMorgan, Scarlett, since we did just get their earnings. So ticker JPM, those shares extending their declines, now down more than 2.6% at the moment. And of course, the headline is those lower investment fees because of that debt underwriting miss, which is unfortunate because a lot of its other metrics really healthy. Net interest income forecast for 2026, fixed income and equity sales, trading, and revenue for the previous quarter, all beating estimates. But it's all everyone's talking about is those lower investment banking fees. Now, CFO Jeremy Barnum did offer some relief here, just explaining why there was a shortfall. He was saying that it can partly be attributed to the fact that deals that were expected to be complete in a quarter just got pushed a little bit later. So it's really just all about a timing mismatch here, according to the CFO.
Yeah, all eyes, of course, were on JPMorgan today, Christine, kicking off the earnings season, but we do have some other big company announcements. What else is on your radar?
Absolutely, Alex. Let's talk about Delta. So ticker DAL, those shares also not doing too well this morning, down 1.8% at the moment. And that is because we did hear from the company about their full year EPS forecast. Disappointing. They're now seeing it in a range of $6.50 to $7.50, $7.50, I should say. And the midpoint of that range falling short of analyst expectations. So CEO Ed Bastian did cite uncertainty in the geopolitical environment. He was also talking about the fact that foreign travel to the U.S. from Canada and China, for instance, quote, just haven't returned in large numbers. He did, though, offer some silver linings here, talking about the high-spending consumers, saying that segment continues to be strong, and Delta continuing to tout its premium products to differentiate itself from its competitors.
And finally, what's the last one on your list?
Well, talking about Alphabet, Scarlett, or Google, as some of the old school observers there might call it. So ticker GOOG, that's doing well this morning. Shares are up 1.8% at the moment, and that is because it's still reaping the benefit of the news, of course, that it has entered a multi-year deal with Apple to power the iPhone's AI technology. So Bloomberg Intelligence weighing in on this development, saying that Apple's decision to use Gemini for its AI really highlights the cost advantage of Google's Tensor processing unit chips. Remember, they made waves there really as an emergent competitor in terms of being able to provide those chips. And it really strengthens Google's position in large language models and the cloud. So more good news for Google here. Listen, as an Android user, I choose to see this personally as proof that Android is just better than iPhones. I don't know.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.